This is a new series, D and Dad DIY, episode 1. Turned my basement during quarantine from this into this. And if you want to see how the transformation happened, just keep watching. Alright, so today I moved everything to the middle of the room. As you can see, like all the furniture is over here. Took everything off all the walls. And like the little nails and stuff that are left over there. And I can show you the paint samples I have. So we're gonna pick a color soon. I'm really leaning towards Gumdrops. It's a super cute name, as well as like a peachy kind of orange but still neutral color. This was leftover that my dad had from the bathroom he was redoing, just to see like how it would lay on the wood paneling. But yeah, lots of like warms and kind of neutrals, but like just a tinge of brightness, which this room could definitely use. Still in the beginning stages, but I feel like we're getting somewhere. So first things first, we did some prep in the room. Basically taping and getting the room ready to be painted. We laid down some plastic, as you'll see in a minute, and took out all the extra nails in the walls and make sure everything was clean and ready to go. So the next step was we primed the walls. Because we were doing wood paneling, they have these little grooves in them, so we filled those in and made sure that the walls were going to hold the lighter color that we chose, since it was a pretty dark green of wood. So we're covering all walls. We hand painted it because the roller actually sucked up too much of the primer. So just a tip, if you guys do this with wood paneling, hand painting worked out so much better and it took way less time. And now Gumdrops finally makes its appearance. This color turned out to be so pretty, and I'm really glad we decided to paint the trim as well, close to the ceiling, because it gave the illusion of higher walls and a higher ceiling in general. The paint turned out to be really good. We ended up doing 2 coats, just to be extra sure that the color would be really opaque. But again, we just did the grooves first, and then this time we took our roller and went over all of our work. And here is live footage of my twig arms attempting to paint this little section. I left most of the rolling to my dad because he's much stronger than me. But the whole process was really fun overall. The next big task was painting this bed frame. It was really cute. I really liked it. And just the color, we wanted everything to kind of go together, and I kind of wanted to do something neutral since the walls were so bright. So we hand painted it, we rolled the flat parts, but most of it was hand painting. We used a matte coat of paint, which helped cover up all the dings and scratches really well, and honestly, it looked like a brand new bed. So I highly recommend, if you want to upgrade your furniture, just try to get matte paint, and it'll completely transform it. Next, we reassembled the bed, and as you can see, I didn't paint the under part because no one's going to see that anyways, and we only had a little bit of that gray color. Then we put everything back together and started rearranging the room, which, as you can see, took a couple tries, but honestly, that's the only way you can tell if you like the arrangement of the rooms. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this thing that I got from the Container Store, which is, amazing, by the way. It's a jewelry organizer, and I love how sleek it is. Let's see if I can open it. And just look how beautifully, and there's so much room in here to store your stuff. So that's kind of what I'm in the process of doing, going through jewelry. I found my Fitbit. And yeah, quick update. We got this cute mirror up. It's like kind of right by the door, so I can see yourself before you go out. We rehung this, which is like a painting or artwork that my family's had. And we got the bed pretty much set up. Over here, I'm still working on a few things, but I have a little like mirror corner. And this vase is from Wayfair, highly recommend. And this is from Target right here. I have artwork up by Dom. I will tag her somewhere over here. But she took this amazing photo of my boyfriend and I just love that piece. I thrifted this. I'm not sure if this is where it's going to stay, but I'm loving the black accents in the room. And we have the TV set up here with my books and photos, Polaroids, and I got this off of Facebook Marketplace for like $30. And we have that over there. So slowly but steady, it's coming along.